Hey everyone, Andy Rafael from eTeknix.com, and I wasn't even sure if I was going to make this video because it's a bit of a weird one, and from the get-go I'm going to demonetize this and everything, so I'm not going to make any money from this video. But over the weekend some sad news hit that someone from our community, someone from the industry, Jason Pierce, has died in an accident. There isn't a huge amount of details to go into, and I don't really want to even speculate on anything. But Jason and one of his children have sadly passed away in a car accident that happened, as far as I can tell, near his hometown in Oregon. And at the moment, his wife and other child are in critical condition in hospital. And it's just a really, really kind of sad and somber time at the moment because lots of people knew him. I spoke to him a few times over the years. We weren't amazingly close or anything like that. But we spoke about computers, we spoke about technology. He was the nicest kind of person. And ever since we kind of, put the news onto the eTeknix Facebook and Twitter accounts and that, lots of people have also come forward and shared it and basically reiterated the point that he was the nicest guy. He was the nicest dude anyone could meet. Always had time for people to sort of help them with advice and stuff like that. And I mean, the work he did was absolutely amazing as well. And it's just a shame because, definitely gone too soon. The fact that not just himself, but, his child has also passed. And the fact that his wife, Catherine or Kate, is still in hospital with their other child. So there is a link in the description below for if anyone wants to donate through GoFundMe. This will help, obviously, with medical bills, funeral costs and things like that, because where they are based in America, they're not as lucky as we are over here with, medical being free, shall we say. So if anyone does want to donate, there is that. And I just wanted to kind of make this video as a bit of a tribute to Jason and everything that he's kind of done within the industry and help propel the industry and the community that I love to be a part of. And it's just a real shame that this has happened to someone. And especially in the circumstances that it's happened as well. Obviously, at the moment, our thoughts are with Jason's wife, hoping that she manages to pull through as well as their other child, and that any money that is raised through the GoFundMe, like I say, link is in the description below. Any money that is raised is going to obviously help, let's say, ease the burden of everything that Catherine and the family are going to have to deal with sort of moving forward. Fingers crossed for obviously Catherine that she does have, does make a speedy recovery. And it's just a real shame that this has happened to such a nice person. And like I say, I was unsure whether I wanted to make this video, but I kind of felt like I needed to potentially sort of, pass my respects over to someone who, like I say, we weren't close. We chatted a handful of times over the years. But every time we did chat, it was always fun. And I'll never forget the memes and the jokes and stuff. So, cheers, everyone. Bye-bye. Thank you.